In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to hide a featured image from a single WordPress post. In some cases, a featured image might not fit the design or layout of a specific post. You may have a design in mind that looks better without a featured image or with an alternative visual element. To hide it, all you need to do is log into your WordPress admin dashboard, hover over Plugins, and click on Add New. Now here, simply search for Conditionally Display. And from the list of various plugins, this is the one that we're looking for. So simply click on Install Now, and you can see the rating as well as active installations. The plugin is also compatible with our version of WordPress. Once everything's in place, simply click on Activate. Now, let's go to Posts and click on All Posts. Edit any of these as per your requirement in which you want to hide the featured image. The plugin adds this setting over here. You can checkmark this box over here to hide the featured image from a single WordPress post. Once done, click on Update. Let's view the post from the front end. You can see the featured image is not displayed here, and this is how easy it is to hide a featured image from a single WordPress post. Now, in case you also want to learn how to make post attachments as featured images in WordPress, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.